in all things. They do it to receive a perishable wreath, but we an imperishable one.
Validatory function, and aya program ga bam samar hanga and photos of ma special guest or guest of honor and po le ja rain ko la do da du ning to be da again we go guest of honor and po ko hotem chulu how my anui Zeme State Kachum Assam Manipur Nagaland gna anui suiket lungket teuza legum teuza di surami ti surami makchai anui in our journey towards becoming a better society anui in my gwang samai jabamja it's one of the best way to show strength, to show that we are capable of coming together despite so many differences, despite being in different administrative boundaries. We can come together to grow together. So thank you to the Zeme Olympics for organizing such a wonderful event. This being organized by young people, it is a show of strength to also tell the older generations that the younger generations are progressing in the right directions. So it is a kind of message to the older generation that the younger generation will continue to follow in the footsteps, the good path that you have shown to us. The younger generation will try our best to lead our society in the right way, in the right manner forward, so that the future can only go better. And our society, Zeme society, wherever we are, we will continue to do well. Let this message rings in the heart, minds of all the young people, so that as we move forward, wherever we are, we will continue to shine for our people and for our place. And thirdly, I would like to encourage our young people that as we come together here for this Zeme Olympics, this is not only about sports. This is a show of our commitment towards the growth of our society. The way that this Zeme Olympics has been organized, it is a program very differently organized from any other social events organized in our society. Not a single penny of donation we seek from anyone. Starting from a farmers working in a very remote village, to some people working in a showroom, in a call centers, to working in a government sectors, working in a uniform service. Every one of us has come together to make this a success. I once again congratulate everyone who has contributed towards making this Zeme Olympic a success. This is indeed a show that our people can stand on our own foot. Our people can be the best at what we think we can organize. And successfully, this is the second edition that we have shown it to the world that we are capable of doing it. Shall we give a big round of applause to every one of us who has contributed towards the success of this. I, as a young person, will continue to give my best wherever I'm posted, whatever responsibilities that I am bestowed with, and I want each one of us as our own people to continue to give the best of what we could towards building our society. And not only this, as we have come together for the purpose of sports, I would also like to encourage our people to give our best, if at all we see talents within our people, to come up and excel in sports. I have tried identifying different talents when I was in Tamenglong as a DC or in various positions as a director of sports. I have tried my best, and today I have some hopes, but we need your prayers. In the next Zeme Olympics, as and when the committee decides to have it, in the next 4 or 5 years from now, if we pray hard, we may have an Olympian representing our country, India, playing the real Olympics, at the world level. From our Tausem subdivision, in the year 2000, I don't remember exactly, in the year in the year 2019, when I was the sports director. So in Imphal, we run something called the National Sports Academy. So I told the school principal back in my village to identify if there is a strong, boy or a girl who has a potential. So we identified, we sent for, the talent hunt. They came for the trials. One of them got selected. And today, one of this girl who got selected in 2019, in the month of October, she went and played in Haryana in boxing. She won the bronze medal. Just 3 days back, she was in Delhi also, All India school level. She was there, she competed. But she competes in the 52 kilo category of boxing. But because of some technical error, she was put in a 54 kilo, but she won the first round, 5-0. In the second round, she lost by just 1 point, 3-2. So, if God willing, in the next 4 or 5 years, we can have a national level player. I want all the Zeme to see her face also, so I have told her to come straight from Imphal yesterday. She has come. Maria, can you please come up? I want you to show your face so that all the elders can also see your face and pray for you so that, you can be one of the Olympian from our community. Come. So, she is, Maria, how old are you now? She is 15 years old. She has a good height also. She plays for 52 kilos category. She has recently won the bronze medal in the REC Open at the national level. If God willing, if she starts playing in Khelo India, then she gets eligible to compete for the national level in her weight category. If she does well, she can start representing India at the national level. So please pray for her also so that our real Zeme Olympic can have an Olympian coming and gracing us. Thank you once again. Thank you. So be it from Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, let us encourage our boys and girls to go for the these sporting events if you identify a talent. Not only the sports person, but those people for referee, for coaches and many other avenues. If you feel that there is a talent, let us encourage them to go for such field. So I wish all the players today for the final match. We've been hearing a lot. I've been observing all the matches being happening. So excited to come and see here. I just hope we will have the greatest match, the greatest football match, and all the best to both the teams. The volleyball matches for both the boys and girls were incredibly, competitive. We all enjoyed so much. And thank you once again. I believe that now that we have reached the second Zeme Olympics, the third Zeme Olympics, whichever village hosts it, will make it even a greater Olympics. And thank you to the zenamyi and all the surrounding villages led by the village elders, the chairmen, the ex-MDC, and all the leaders here, whoever has contributed towards the success of this Zeme Olympic, we thank you once again, and may God bless all of you abundantly. Thank you.
To the champion team, let us continue to cheer for them, clap for them, shout for them. Yes, they're the defending champion as well as the reigning champion now. This is the second time they're winning the trophy in the Zeme Olympics. Jaluke Town team. Well done.